Imagine standing at crossroads where every direction promises a different adventure. Feel that excitement? That's where we are going today. Rising above the ordinary to bring you the extraordinary. I'm Rupali, your dedicated buyer's agent, here to turn your property dreams into reality. Alright, let's dive straight in. Australian Bureau of Statistics has just dropped a bombshell. Our residential housing market total value has hit an eye-popping 10.4 trillion. Imagine that. It's like the entire country's homes are sitting on a mountain of gold, and it just keeps getting higher and higher. We are talking nearly 200 billion increases in just last quarter of 2023 running. That's just not a wave, it's a tsunami of growth for the third quarter. Now let's zoom out a bit, but let's keep it light on the numbers. The average price of a home down under is sky high at 933,800, and every corner of the country feels the heat. From the bustling streets of Sydney to the serene landscape of Northern Territory, the price tags on our home speaks volumes. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite these daunting prices, Aussies haven't given up on the dream of owning a piece of this beautiful country. CoreLogic's latest home value index shows a steady climb, is a testament to the market's resilience. And according to Westpac's home ownership report, nearly half of us are looking to buy a house within the next 5 years. Damien McKay, Westpac's managing director of mortgages, points out that intention to buy remains strong, with the prospective buyers becoming more determined and flexible in achieving their home ownership goals. Now, for the renters among us feeling the squeeze, vacancy rates have hit an all-time low, according to the PropTech. Finding a rental is becoming a bit like finding a needle in a haystack. With the national vacancy rates failing to just over 1%, the only real solution is increasing the stock of available homes, a challenge given to the current pace of construction. But here's a ray of hope. New home sales are on the rise, as the Housing Industry Association reported. It's a sign that despite the hurdles, there's a light at the end of the tunnel for those dreaming of a brand new home to call their own. Tim Reardon, HIA's chief economist, states that increase is a positive sign amidst the challenges of higher borrowing costs and elevated construction prices. So what's the takeaway from all this? The Aussie property market is dynamic as ever, with value soaring, demand skyrocketing, and the dream of home ownership still burning strong at the heart of many. Whether you are looking to buy, sell, or just stay put, keeping an eye on these trends is crucial. Leaving you with the thoughts of future home and investments, I'm Rupali, your guide and guardian in the property world. Stay inspired, stay informed, and let's make your property dreams a reality together. Loved exploring the latest in property with us? Then let's make it official. Hit the subscribe for more ongoing property market wisdom and click the bell so you are always the first to know. Appreciate your time today, and we are excited to bring you more valuable insights soon. Until then, stay savvy and secure your property journey.